Para sa akin, ang pinakamalaking tulong ng life coach is nabigyan ka ng awareness. Pero ikaw pa rin ang gagawa. Which means from the awareness, alam mo ano yung dapat mong gawin. The next level there is R, which is what we call responsibility. What do I mean? Take responsibility with what you know that will work in your life, and this is where the trap is. Alam mo paano pumayat, alam mo paano kumita, alam mo paano maging masaya. Kaso lang, yung self-image mo, hindi sa R o responsibility. Ang self-image mo ay nasa blame, nasa justification, nasa excuses. And yan na ngayon ang pwede mong gawa ng goal. So hindi life coach ang magpapayaman sa inyo, hindi life coach ang magpapapayat sa inyo, magpapasaya sa inyo. Kung hindi, you taking that awareness into action. Full responsibility with your life.